Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to another daily dose of internet video, and this video is titled Boats Are Evolving. And in the original thumbnail, the person or whoever is in a boat that looks like Shamu. Or I guess it's a boat according to the title, but dang, that's pretty crazy and also cool at the same time, because like you're inside of an animal and it's a boat. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, let me stop talking. Let's see what it looks like. And please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This company made boats that look like orcas.
I think that's really cool, but I guess depending where you are, you're like, wait, what's that? Is that a shark? But yeah, you get to ride inside a Shamu. But I'm scared of water, so I probably wouldn't try this. But look at her inside. That's pretty cool, like seeing stuff, the water, like from the inside of this whale. It's cool to watch, but I wouldn't do it myself. I think I would be too scared. Wait, why? Why did he go back?
These cars all got snowed in.
I really do not like snow. Can't stand it. But also, like, what are you supposed to do after? Okay, so you shoveled out your car. You shoveled the snow away. Now what? Now you gotta wait for the snow to melt.
Oh my god.
Dang. Dang, what is it? Is this a restaurant or like a hotel or something? A mall? Somebody is getting fired. It's gonna fall on the baby.
No. No. No, Lily.
They didn't have a steamroller, so he used his car to flatten out the asphalt.
Is that good for your tires? I don't know. Dang, how long did that take? Trying to cross the street? What's going on? Oh, okay. Didn't want to touch the street. It's gonna slip. Oh, I knew someone was gonna slip. Oh, dang! Y'all need to do something about that. Wait, what is this game called again? Wait, I forgot what this thing is called. What is this called again? Dang. I haven't done this in a while.
These turtles were rescued to protect them from the cold weather.
Wait, was there a title in the other video?
These turtles were rescued to protect them from the cold weather.
Dang, that's big. But do turtles not usually survive in the cold weather? Like, what do they usually do? Just freeze to death? The shells ain't got heaters in there?
Right, where we're going to next. So, we basically get everything around here. I don't know if it's wise, like going down all the way down the hill.
Why does it like that? Dang. At first I was like, what's the point of this? Why would you want that? But I feel like I could play with that for a long time.
This is snow blowing off the top of this mountain.
Okay, it looks pretty cool.
This man loves walking
But I still
on
hate snow.
pancake ice.
He's wearing socks. Not even shoes. And I say that as if he's wearing clothes. He's trying to get it. He loves it, Eli. Look.
Rain poured from both sides of this bridge, creating a spectacular waterfall effect.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but this boat gotta collect all that water.
This can't help this baby escape.
Now they both free. But why was the baby? Oh, I guess it's like nap time or something. But I was like, why is the baby locked in the room? But probably just woke up. Cat's gonna pop it with his claws.
I found a slug that looks like a banana.
Hi, little guy. Merry Christmas.
Is it? I was interrupted by an ad. I was gonna say, what was the other one? Oh, I was gonna say, is that like poisonous or venomous if you touch it? I do not have enough balance even for one.
There's a street in Romania covered by umbrellas.
I think that's cool. I want to see what happens when it rains. Oh, dang. That tree is like, how dare you? Where does fire come from? What? Why was there fire? Is the reflection or something?
This moose saw a
Her wish don't come true.
and wanted to try it.
You don't think so? Is he mad at the tarp?
Imagine it poops on it.
Oh, now he's gonna lay down.
Oh, he's drinking? Oh.
This cruise ship got trapped in ice, so the Coast Guard came to help him out.
Oh, see, just breaking the ice. I was just gonna be like, how do you help them? But break the ice.
This YouTuber built his own fully functional Lego typewriter.
Okay, so you just type on Lego paper. Okay, that's cool, but
These doctors were
I think the keyboard didn't have all the letters, so you can only type a few things.
performing surgery when an
Not
8.8
everything.
magnitude earthquake hit.
It's crazy.
He always makes time for his favorite customers.
How's my boy? Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, he was a good boy. He's a good
What is that?
This guy invented
Cucumber?
a bike that drives up trees.
But why would you want to do that? Because I'm also scared of heights, so I would not be doing that. But I don't know. I guess if someone just wants to get a view of wherever they are, go up high in the tree. But I thought it was going to be to like pick stuff from the tree, but I don't see anything.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's going on? See, this is why I don't like snow, because it turns to ice.
This guy made a heat-seeking Nerf sentry gun.
And this is my freezer which the sentry defends. Step too close to the freezer,
Just hide behind the door. Imagine like having that sound every morning or like waking up to that sound every morning because they wake up before you and then you can't sleep.
This is a rare fire tornado.
Dang. Okay, Vecna.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed.
Okay.
And I'll see you guys again
very soon. Later. Yes, interesting. This video has a lot of snow, I guess because it's wintertime and these videos are recent. But yeah, I do not like snow, especially when it starts melting and then turns into ice. Ain't got time for that. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you could check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.